In 2005, a devastating disaster occurred in our community.
Since then, our community has been working diligently to rebuild what was once there.
Ocean life has returned and people are back to enjoying the beautiful Gulf.
Due to natural succession, animals and plants are returning back to their natural habitats.
Industrial buildings are new and improved and even better than before.
Nightlife and events in New Orleans are thriving. Oktoberfest is a perfect time for great food and a good time.
Be sure to bring your green because St. Patty's Day is a blast in New Orleans.
New Orleans is known for our Mardi Gras, so be sure to come down and join the party.